Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to view top journals on Shazam. First, open the Shazam. Here you can view search icon. Tap on it. There are four options are there. Top 200 global chart, top country, top journal, and top 200 radio spins. If you want to view top journal, then tap on third option. Here you can view top journals on Shazam. There are two options are there. If you want to top 200, then tap on here. Or if you want to select journals, then click here and choose one. And if you want to select nation, then tap on top. Here you can choose this nation and choose one. So that's about it. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe our channel, and thank you.